Yeah, so this is the article which has come. Now I was telling something about how to what is there at the background of the article. Okay, so I am clicking on this particular Sampadan page. See this. Okay, so when I click on this, you will find very interesting and different thing other than the main page. The most thing is that what I was telling about info box. So this is the info box. The info box name is Mahiti Chaukat Vyakti, that is info box of a personality. And this info box is been created by some kind of a very senior person. And see, like for a info box, what all the tabs which are required, so that is been designed and all that. So whenever a new article has been created, this info box is been kind of copy pasted. One important point what I will explain after this. So this is the info box. So possibly all the information, if you know, you can update in this and all that. And whatever the fields which are been filled, the information update, those are only available for viewing. Like take an case of Prashikshan Samstha. So no information is been updated, so it will not come on a main page. But if you know that the Prashikshan Samstha of a particular person, you can update it and then it will be available for viewing on the main page. So this is about the info box. So if you are new, okay, if you are new user, the best thing in the world is copy paste. सभी copy paste करते हैं, everybody agrees it in any of some or the other way. Wikipedia is the in Wikipedia you can also use the same methodology. Like while creation of an article, as I told you, there are whatever 5-6 sections and all that. Don't try to use your extra efforts in doing it. Okay, the best thing is that, like if you are creating an article on say one of the scientists, or say take an example of similar personality like Anna Hazare. The best thing is that go to Anna Hazare, go to edit, copy whole stuff of the article, including info box, references and all that, paste it over there in the new article of the new name and edit the information. The advantage is that whatever these templates which are designed very carefully, those don't get disturbed. Otherwise, if you simply kind of say, if there are say 42 lines and if you remove this, then the whole template gets collapsed and you don't get the information, you can't view the information as per the expectation. So whenever you are creating an article, like if you are creating an article say on say Hrishikesh Ranade, we know Hrishikesh Ranade, he is a singer. So look for a similar singer, say Avadut Gupte or say Bhimsen Joshi or similar singer. Try to copy whole information of that person, create an article on Hrishikesh Ranade and edit the information of that. Like replace Hrishikesh with this and all that. Because that becomes very easy for people to kind of follow the Wikipedia guidelines. Yeah, because what happens that every time I say that click on this box, click on this bracket, put the bracket, remove the bracket, put the semicolon and all that, it becomes very difficult for the new editors. Once you get expertise, definitely while typing also you can do it. Okay, so this is what you can see the info box at the background. So after info box, there is a plain text what we can see. Now you can see that there are three these things. This makes the text as bold. Okay, then this is a bracket. This is a bracket used for interlinking the article. So when I am kind of interlinking the article, like if I am making say 2 brackets for Ahmednagar Jilla, it means that there could be an article on Ahmednagar Jilla in the Wikipedia what you can view, or Maharashtra or whatever. Okay, so similarly and you need to give the required references and all that. Okay, then there are tabs like to grouping, like these lines on the left and right, that creates a header, 3 lines on each side makes a subheader kind of thing. So that is the way the article can be created, or topic, subtopic, subtopic kind of thing. And so if you go down, and at the end of the article, see, these are the boxes. So you can see a plain text like what are the Puraskar Anna Hazare has got. So here is a wiki table. Again, designing a wiki table is not an easy task. So try to copy this wiki table and then edit in the new article. Okay, because you will find a clear text in this, but when we convert that, it gives a right shape of a table and all that. So this is the wiki table updation and all that. What are the Puraskars and all that he has got. And the most important, Varga. So whatever in the which category you want to put that person, like Padma Shri Puraskar Vijete, Padma Bhushan Puraskar Vijete, Marathi Samaj Sevak, born 1937 people, Marathi Samaj Sevak and all that. And on the bottom there is most important, that is inter-wiki links. Means Anna Hazare article, wherever in which language it is available, we can give a link, like say EN Anna Hazare. It means that there is an article in English on Anna Hazare. So we can see a tab of this particular language on the left side of the article in the view stage. So we can see that in these languages Anna Hazare article is available. Can so this is something. So even in this language Anna Hazare article is available. Now let's see, we have seen the inside of the article. Now the same thing I will show you on the view page. So I will come from the reverse. You can see that wherever the article in which language it is available, all the languages names have come up. Yeah. So you can see that if you want to view the article in the respective language, just click on that language, open the page, and you will see the Anna Hazare article in that respective language. See, remember, many of the times many editors forget to do these things. Like there is an article which is available in English, there is an article available in Telugu, but English person doesn't know that there is an article in Telugu, and Telugu person doesn't know that there is an article in English. So who can do that? The simple thing, we are the people, if you know both the languages, we can do this inter-wiki links or interlinking the articles. And this is very important from the Wikipedia perspective, that we get many more information very easily about a person. Like this is the article which is available in English Wikipedia. Okay, so this is about the interlinking. You can see that in the info box, whatever the information which has been filled in the info box, that is only visible. Other tabs are invisible. And you can see that some red lines. What are those? Huh? Uncreated articles. So these are the pages where we need the articles. Like when this article when this particular Anna Hazare info box was updated, somebody has put the two brackets on Vinayak Deshmukh. So the person feels that there could be an separate article on the person Vinayak Deshmukh. But as the article is not been created, it shows that it is in red color. Similarly, you can see so these are the, so I was saying about this dash lines. So these are the subgrouping which has come up automatically. We need not have to create an index. So this has come up automatically, and this is the way this total index has come. So you can see that there are many references or the interlinking of articles which has come up. Okay. Yeah. So what must have been happened that while putting that particular link of the article, some minor correction is being required. That is why you can see that you don't find the photograph of Anna Hazare military in the Marathi Wikipedia. Another reason could be that there could be a copyright violation of the things. That is why the photograph has been removed from the Wikipedia, and that is why it is not visible. So there could be two reasons. like while linking that photo in the Wikipedia, some minor correction has got taken place. That's why it is not viewable. Other could be that photograph is itself not available and all that. So I don't know about exact citation, so I don't know whether I will be able to correct it. So you can see that lot of interlinking has been done, and this is actually helps people to view it. Like so you can see that त्यानंतर 2 वर्षातच पाकिस्तानने भारतावर चाल केली. So you can see that if you open this, you will get an article on Pakistan. So it prompts the people to look for more and more Wikipedia article and try to get more and more information. So within a kind of I don't know what's gone wrong. Acha, maybe some Wikipedia server problem, that's why it hasn't happened. So this is the way we can interlink the pages. We promote the people to interlink the various activities and all that. But you can see that there are a lot more, and I was telling this particular wiki table. So you can see a very kind of good and sophisticated table over there. But if you see in the edit box, it was kind of very in a difficult nature. So don't go for creating a wiki table at the very first stage. Try to copy the wiki table from a very good article. Try to put the information what you want in that. So immediately you will get the necessary information. See, that is why, see, designing a wiki table, it itself is a non-easy thing. We can easily create a wiki table, but we need some more experience of editing. So it is not that wiki table is always of 3 columns. Wiki table can be have many more columns, but there are some citations and some more things which are required to be updated. But as a new user, if I want to update the information in the wiki table, then what is the option? This is the option, that try to copy the wiki table from a good article and edit the information.
This is copy and use for the article, suppose one taluka. Here I want to put 5 columns. I copy from this.
No, I would recommend that copy from the article where there are 5 columns only. So don't try to play in the info box. Don't try to play in the wiki table at the early stage. You can do it. There is no, so I simply say that you can do it. No harm in doing it, but you should not mess up in doing it. So if you want a 5 column, try to search an article which has got a wiki table of 5 columns. Try to go to edit, copy it and paste it in the new article. Yeah. So what is that tab? Yeah, I'm finishing in 1 minute.
Okay.
So this is a tab where we find that there are many English words in the article. So you can see that this is something CARE International Award and all that. So some work is incomplete in this sense. So once you improve upon this article and try to get all the words in the Marathi, you can remove this box. So this is a box which indicates the user that some work regarding the translation is incomplete in this article. So some user has only put this particular box that try to translate it. So this, yeah.
संस्था भारत सरकार राष्ट्रपती आहे.
From which link you can create entirely new article?
This is the article I want to create. So best way to create an article, go to search, paste the word, enter it. There is no article. It will show the message. See, there is no article. So it promotes the people to create an article. So click on it. You will get a blank page where you start writing it. So this is the article where we can start writing on it. So Vinayak Deshmukh and all that. So try to start typing, try to copy the table and all that, create the article, save it, and you are done. I think within a span of limited period, I try to cover as many as things, but I still promote that as a new user, don't try to do very fancy things. It adds lot of activity for administrator to correct it. Yeah. So best thing is that try to get the help of course, senior editors and administrator. But the simple thing, copy paste, very good thing. And but don't make a mistake like creation of article of Rishikesh Ranade and put copying information of Pandit Jasraj into it and keeping it in it. It will mess up further. So don't try to do it that also. So try to get the table and whatever the other things are there into it, correct the information, remove, add, omit and all that, save the article. Okay, thank you so much for your patience in the particular editing activity. Thanks. Yeah.
In 1990, there was hardly any discussion of gay, lesbian, transgender topics. So I had to do it because I'm gay and I needed to talk about it. Okay, so that's a quick introduction, and I'm just running through this whole idea of what's documenting Indian LGBT space. I'm not a very, I use Wikipedia as more as a user and not as a worker. I mean, I don't really do too much work on Wikipedia, but I would like to do that. Okay. Now, I would like to actually call it uncommon knowledge, not unconventional knowledge, though my talk is being put together under unconventional. I would say it's not unconventional as much as uncommon. So what's uncommon? Hardly anybody knows what's LGBT. LGBT is lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. And these are not just sexual orientation, that is a homosexual or heterosexual, but they're identities. Queer. Queer is an umbrella term for sexual minorities, which encompasses LGBT, but also includes like other minorities like hijras, intersex. You know, there's a whole big umbrella word called queer. Now, being gay, lesbian, bisexual is not a matter of lifestyle or choice as is believed by most of the people. It's an identity. Homosexuality is not a Western import. These are uncommon knowledge because we commonly believe it's not so. Okay, common perception. LGBT queer persons are abnormal. No, they're not. They're not considered normal because they're stigmatized and discriminated by society. LGBT queer persons are interested only in sex. This is a big perception all the time. They have careers and interests too. Like, I'm a filmmaker. I'm gay is just one part of who I am. But like, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a writer, I'm a producer. That's my other part. The LGBT persons are only makeup men, fashion or designers or activists. No, you find them everywhere. LGBT persons live in small closed circuit in like a ghetto or something. No, they live in our own homes. I live with my mother and my family and everybody. So that's, okay, one of the, then today's scenario, LGBT space has changed. Okay, in 2009, there's a law which kind of criminalized homosexuality, which got changed on July 2nd. So there's a lot more openness and acceptance. The very fact that all of you are sitting here and listening to me talk, and the very fact that I can say very openly that I'm gay, has been a dramatic change from what it used to be in 1990 when I used to speak at other forums. There has also been a lot of commercial and social activities, but it's not only because of a judgment. That's what I was trying to come to. One single event or one single person cannot define history. Okay, so there has been people who have been lobbying, there have been writers, there have been artists, there have been events which has happened, there have been books written, there have been films made, okay, and also the media has helped a lot in talking about these issues. So all of these have actually kind of contributed towards a small social perceptual change. You know what we're talking about LGBT. Now, what is missing actually is like to put this movement into perspective and to record